Affiliate marketing with Pinterest is genuinely one of the simplest ways of making a few extra $100s a day. It's super easy to start. You don't need any money and you don't need any skills to be successful. So, here's how. Firstly, you're going to want to pick a niche. We'd recommend that this is something that you actually have an interest in and where people are likely to spend a lot of money. Let's take the digital marketing niche as an example. Okay, now you have a niche, you're going to want to find products to promote. One way to do this is to sign up for affiliate programs such as Impact, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. You can also sign up for individual company programs if you already know a company in your niche. For example, here we have a list of digital marketing companies that are offering commissions for you to promote their services. You can see how much they offer, who they are, and the EPC, which is the average amount of money you earn each time someone clicks one of your affiliate links. So you join one of these and you get yourself a unique link that will track the people clicking through and making purchases, and then you get the commission. Then you jump onto Pinterest and make your account. Call it whatever you think is relevant. Add some logos and cover photos. This can be whatever you want it to be. Just a simple 2-minute logo from Canva is usually enough. Then change your account into a business account. This is so you can post idea pins and you can see the analytics and your account is ready to go. At this point, we need to think of the content. In our last video, we covered the strategies we use to increase our viewerships by 17.5 times. We'd highly recommend you give that a watch for full understanding. But here's the gist of it. You go onto TikTok or another social media where people are making and enjoying viral video content that is related to your niche. You then download this content and then make sure you tell the original creators that you would like to feature this on your account. And assuming they agree, you then post a video on your account. So how this works is that you use a website such as Snaptik to download the TikTok video without a watermark, then upload it as an idea pin to your account. Idea pins don't allow links directly, but they are heavily promoted by Pinterest and are relatively easy to use as a mechanism for growing your account. Then fill out the title and tags with something relevant. Make sure the cover is visually enticing and you're ready to go. Then do this for many more pins until you start to get a lot of views. Side note, a lot of the strategy around Pinterest is to use it as a funnel to bring traffic to your website or blog, which is where your affiliate links are. This works just fine and is something that we have been doing a lot of recently. It's common to build up as much content as you can, either through the techniques that we've mentioned or just general Pinterest growth strategies. Then build out a board that has pins that actually link to money pages on your site. This method works pretty well and is a standard tried and tested method that is similar to a lot of affiliate marketing strategies that have been used for ages now. But as always, there are downsides as well. We always find that the more clicks you put in the way from the first contact your viewer makes from your actual affiliate link, the less likely they're going to be to convert. If each link to the next part of the funnel has a 10% conversion rate and you have 3 links, then suddenly you're looking at a 0.1 conversion rate. So this is where we bring the actual affiliate link onto Pinterest itself and skip all that confusing part. To do this is pretty simple. Just create visually enticing pins that people will click on and then send them directly to the company that you're promoting. But make sure that this is within the terms of the affiliate program. A simple way to test this is to offer something free. For example, if you're into the crypto niche, then a good one is to offer free Bitcoin using your link to Coinbase or similar. Then simply create a board called freebies and put that pin in there. If you're in the digital marketing niche, then you can sign up for the SEMrush affiliate program or similar and use their free trial as the freebie. This might be a bit different in different niches and isn't the easiest thing to make work, but if you're enterprising enough, I'm sure you can work it out. The pins themselves can be super simple pins that simply state what it is you are offering. Use something like Canva or Photopea to create these. You can also add a link to a link tree or similar in your profile bio that has your affiliate links in there. At this point, you're basically ready to go. You'll have to put some work in and consistently be uploading content to grow your following and to get people to start visiting your money pins and profile. But now, let's get real. Like with anything similar to this, it's not without its downsides. As this is something so easy to start, that also means it's very full of competition. Having a low barrier to entry such as this opens it up to anyone, which inevitably makes it harder. And like we were just saying, you'll have to upload a lot of top quality content to increase your chances of standing out. This will take time to build a following, but if you keep at it, then it's very realistic you will see some growth. Also, early in the video, we made it seem simple to be able to get accepted into one of these affiliate programs. All around the internet, you will see people skimming over the details and requirements for these programs. It is usual for you to only be accepted if you already have a following or a blog with viewers. These companies don't want thousands of tiny accounts that they have to manage that probably won't bring them any money. So it may be best to aim for referral programs such as Honey or similar. These are essentially the same but without the hassle of signing up for an affiliate program. Most also don't have any in-depth tracking, analytics, or content and banners to help you promote. But that isn't as necessary if your promotional method is Pinterest. So this is a viable alternative if you don't get accepted. Or you can focus on your Pinterest account first so it'll be easier to be accepted by the affiliate programs later. There's a lot of ways to approach this, so have a play around and see what happens. So in conclusion, the process is simple. You need viewers to view your content. This content is repurposed and used fairly, probably from other people. When you have viewers, you can monetize that with affiliate links through profile link trees and money pins that take the viewer straight to the affiliate partner, instead of the traditional funnel to a blog. But like with everything like this, you have to put in the effort. Other videos on this make it seem so easy. Whilst it may be simple, it isn't easy, which is why everyone isn't doing it. So give it a try, keep at it, and see how you get on. In 6 months' time, or even a year, you may be looking back and realize that starting today was one of the best decisions you have ever made. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time. Happy days. So it may be nah, that is too hot. Too hot. In our last video, we covered the strategies we use to increase. In our last video, we it's by 17.5. You go on to TikTok, man. Viral affiliate marketing strategies that have been used for ages now. The pins themselves can be super simple pins that simply state what it is you are offering.